Used to be big cuts required big saws. Not anymore. Meet the Rockwell Compact Circular Saw. So compact, you can use it anywhere. So powerful, it delivers all the bite of the big boys, but weighs half as much for better comfort and control. Perfect for tight spots. Even a backboard for mess-free projects. The new Rockwell Compact Circular Saw. It's the smallest big saw you'll ever use. Get yours today.
With the CRAFTSMAN 7 1/4 inch 15 amp circular saw by your side, you'll tackle your job with confidence. This 15 amp motor coupled with a magnesium shoe gives you the power and durability needed. A 7 1/4 inch carbide tooth blade allows for smooth and quick cutting. Its 55-degree bevel capacity detents at 2 different angles, and tool-free design lets you quickly adjust bevel angle to make precise cuts. Convenience and comfort are also key, thanks to the included rafter hook and contoured handle. For a job well done, you need tools you can trust. Turn to the CRAFTSMAN 7 1/4 inch 15 amp shoe circular saw for the reliable performance you need.
Ideal for framers, roofers, and carpenters. The 7 1/4 inch magnesium hypoid saw. The 15 amp motor delivers proven performance. The maintenance-free, heat-treated hypoid steel gears last longer than traditional bronze alloy worm drive gears. Made with magnesium components, this saw is well balanced with less weight. It has an ergonomically designed body and grip. Its bevel adjustment and positive stops ensure optimum cutting flexibility. The lowered guard design improves performance. The reinforced power cord withstands job site abuse. Make quick, one-handed adjustments with its large rubberized levers. With easy-to-read numbers and ruler markings, a blade wrench is attached for convenient blade changes. And it even has a retractable sky.
You would never use a cordless tool to do a job this intense, till FLEXVOLT, a new line of DEWALT cordless tools that have the power of a corded tool. With innovations like the world's first battery pack that automatically changes voltage when you change tools. And our new powerful 60-volt brushless motor that can rip through materials you commonly use. Along with the features you expect from DEWALT, like easy and accurate adjustments and a bright LED work light. And since it's also a cordless tool, you're never chained to a power cord or a power outlet, so you have the freedom to move from job to job to job, with enough runtime to get the work done. And a battery that adds runtime to existing DEWALT 20-volt max tools. All part of the most advanced cordless system we've ever created.